Welcome back to Deeksha Vedantu's 5-minute 5 marks challenge, where you just give me 5 minutes and I'll give you short 5 marks in your 10th boards. I'm Aditi and I'm back with yet another 5-minute 5 marks physics challenge. Let's look at our question first. Today's topic is really important. Almost every year one question has been asked continuously. So let's look at the question. Question says, hold a concave mirror. Which mirror? Concave mirror in your hand and direct its reflecting surface towards the sun. Direct the light reflected by the mirror onto a white cardboard held close to the mirror. Move the cardboard back and forth gradually until you find a bright, sharp spot of light on the board. This spot of light is the image of the sun on the sheet, which is also termed as principal axis. So what is happening here? Let's see a bit. What is happening? A light from the sun is coming and we have a concave mirror. It's coming parallel rays from the sun. Okay, these are parallel. Okay, so and they're getting reflected onto a sheet of cardboard, forming a bright spot of image of sun. Correct? This is what is happening in our question. Now we know when rays are coming parallel and reflecting from a concave mirror, where the rays get focused on its principal focus, and the image is formed on the principal focus. So this is what is being said in our question. Let's come to the main part. List 2 applications of concave mirror. I know you know all these by your heart. Comment down real quick what are the 2 applications of concave mirror. Next question. If the distance between the mirror and principal focus is 15 centimeter, then find its radius of curvature. We know radius of curvature is 2 into focal length. This is our focal length. 2 into focal length. Focal length is 15 centimeter. So our radius of curvature comes out to be 30 centimeter. This comes out to be 30 centimeter. Okay, let's go to the next part. Draw a ray diagram to show the type of image formed when an object is placed between pole and principal focus of a concave mirror. Let's make the image. See, this is our concave mirror. Okay, this is our concave mirror. What they are saying that the object is placed between pole and this. Let's say this is my principal focus, this is my radius. If the object is placed between principal pole and principal focus, we know this is the 6th case of concave mirror, which is different from rest of the cases. How? Because in this case usually real and inverted image forms in concave mirror, in case of concave mirror, but in 6th case, which is a exception, it virtual and erect image forms in case of if the object is placed between pole and focus. So what will happen? One ray goes, it gets reflects back, comes back with focus, and next from the radius of curvature, one ray gets passed through the object. Okay, my drawing is really bad. If we extend it back, if this is being extended back, and this will be our object formed, which is virtual, which is erect, and which is enlarged in size. I really urge you to make these rays with help of a scale. I can't use this big of a scale. So this is our third part that we solved. Let's look at the another part. It says an object of 10 centimeter in size. Object of 10 centimeter in size is placed at 100 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. U is always minus and object is placed at 100 centimeter, so U is minus 100 centimeter. Okay, and then it says if its image is formed at the same point where the object is located. Now the image and object are being formed at the same point. So what did it says? Our object is at radius of curvature, so V is also minus 100 centimeter, and if our object is at radius of curvature, so our R is also minus 100 centimeter. What does our question says? It says to find the focal length of the mirror. Focal length we know is half of radius, and 100 divided by 2 is 50 centimeter. So our focus comes out to be 50 centimeter. Focal length comes out to be 50 centimeter. Magnification of the image formed with sine. So we know there are two formulas, height of image divided by height of object, negative, but we also have minus v by u. Minus v is minus 100 and u is also minus 100. This cancels out. Our magnification is minus 1, which says the image is real, the image is inverted, and the image is being formed on the downside of our principal axis, and it is of same size, which is already given in the question, and we proved it. And hence we solved a very important board's question. This is your proof that this exact same question came in your boards. I'm giving you one more MCQs, which says mirror X is used to concentrate sunlight on solar furnace. Sunlight, first mirror is used to focus sunlight, and second mirror is used in it says mirror Y is fitted on the side of the vehicle, so it's a rear view mirror. Now tell me which mirror is used to focus sunlight and which mirror is used to see rear view images in our vehicles, and also tell me then the answer of this question, which kind of image is formed by which kind of mirror, real inverted or virtual erect or diminished or enlarged. That is your homework. Comment down your answers, I'll definitely check them out. And also, to get a reminder of all these videos, you can follow us, you and join the WhatsApp channel that we have. We constantly remind you about these videos. I guess these are very important for your revision, and you are just spending 5 minutes on these very important PYQs, and I hope it's very helpful for you. And if you like all these videos, if you like all the stuff that we are putting really efforts for you guys to ace your boards, then you also subscribe our channel, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next 5 minute 5 marks challenge video. Till then, tata, bye bye.